Welcome to Rudy Luther Toyota in Golden Valley. My name is Megan Frost and I'm really excited to introduce the all-new 2020 Toyota Highlander. It is completely redesigned inside and out and is packed with brand new features as well as this sleek flowing design as you can see here in the front. Very impressive work and it's beautiful. We have a 3.5 liter engine, 8-speed automatic transmission. Now this engine comes in two different all-wheel drive systems. For Limited and Limited Platinum, we're going to have the torque vectoring all-wheel drive system, as well as the parking sensors here in the front, and it is also in the rear, and that's for your park assist and your auto braking. Our Toyota Safety Sense 2.0 sensors are also here in the emblem, as well as up here in the windshield, and that goes all the way down to the base level trim, so that's wonderful, as well as the LED headlights. Now these fog lights are also LED. With the new redesign, we're looking at 5 different trim levels for the gas models and 4 for the hybrid. And it starts with the base level trim L, then goes to LE, XLE, Limited, and Platinum. Now all the way down to L, which is our base model, it is going to be packed with technology features like Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, Amazon Alexa, as well as the Toyota Safety Sense, power driver's seat, amazing, and the smart key system with push button start. And normally those features are never found on the base level, and you're gonna enjoy all of those features because they're standard. And inside, we're looking at the Limited Harvest Beige trim interior. We have the wood grain here on the door, absolutely stunning. We do have the ventilated and heated seats. Now we do have the black, graphite, and harvest beige options for XLE and Limited. And for Limited Platinum, you get another option, and that's the caramel glazed interior. You'll have to come in and check that out. But this is the harvest beige interior. That is a 12.3 touchscreen, lots of technology in the infotainment center there, and we'll go over that in a little bit. Now the Highlander is now 2 inches longer than the previous generation, giving us a little bit more space back here, and that's what I think we've all wanted. We do have the climate control options back there for our passengers, as well as our USB ports to keep you charged. Lots of space. These are captain's chairs. There is a bench seat option as well, and you will find those in L and LE. And you can choose between those options when you're looking at the XLE and Limited. Captain's chairs are the only option when looking at a Limited Platinum. We do have the sunshade as well, and I'm glad that we kept that feature because that's one of our favorites. Back here, we do have a power lift gate, hands-free. And the way this works is, the little Toyota emblem here is a good starting point. You're gonna look for that, and you're just going to tuck your toes right under, and then make sure you back up because it won't open if you stand close to it. It doesn't wanna bump into you. So if you don't move, it's not gonna open. Now these seats pop down really easy. For all that space, we do have our premium JBL subwoofer here as well. Now you can close this door with the key fob, with your foot, or you can go ahead and push that button here and it'll go right down. Now standard on all Highlanders, we have the backup camera, as well as the option for towing capacity. So the towing capacity is going to be the 5,000 pounds. This one doesn't have a tow hitch, but it can be installed. So if you buy one and you decide later you need one, we do have the Toyota option that we can have that installed right here, and that's from Toyota. Parking sensors, 20-inch alloy Limited wheels, and we do have a lot of great stylish options for all of our trim levels. Now, blind spot monitoring is standard all the way down to the trim level LE, which is amazing. That's brand new this year. And it also has, with the blind spot monitoring, the cross traffic alert as well. Smart key system is on all trim levels. And inside, we've got the memory seats here on the door, as well as left of the steering wheel, we have the heated steering wheel option, and that's on limited and limited platinum only. And our auto high beams, and that goes all the way down to that trim level L, and our power seat. Here we are inside the all new 2020 Toyota Highlander Limited with the Harvest Beige interior. So I want to talk quick about some of the differences between Limited and Platinum. Platinum, we're going to have the panoramic roof. This one is going to have this moon roof here, and that will also be standard in the XLE as well. Safety Connect is on all of our trim levels, and that button is located right there. And we have the auto dimming mirror here with the 3 garage door options. With the Platinum, we will be able to get the digital rearview mirror as well. Down here, we have the 12.3-inch infotainment center. It is a touchscreen. Now, standard is going to be the 8-inch option, but this is going to be the 12.3 option. What's great about this screen is here's the navigation, and then if you decide you want to change something while you're driving, you just push this button here. You can change your climate, you can change music, all at your fingertips right here without taking your eyesight off the road by pushing all these buttons here. And then when you're done changing all of that, you just push this button here and bam, you've got your navigation right back where you'd like to have it. Down here we have our USB ports. Now this one is for the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You're gonna wanna plug into that. You can run the cord through this pass through right here, so your phone can sit up here or perfectly down right in there. And then we also have the Qi charging station inside here. You can also lift that up and store anything you might need in there as well. I like that they put the charging station inside, keeping your phone tucked away. Now, this shifter, you have the ability to manually shift if you choose. And we do have some drive modes, multi-terrain select, which goes all the way down to our base level L trim, the multi-terrain select. We've got sport, normal, and eco, mud and sand, rock and dirt, and just to push normal, I mean, it's just really easy just to get back to where you want to be. For that, we do have the snow button over here as well. Up here on the steering wheel, we have the ability to turn on and off our lane departure alert. So if you don't want that on, you can just pop that off. And then we also have our dynamic radar cruise control buttons here. And there's a video showing you how to use those. Up here on the driver infotainment center, we have information about our trip and our gas levels, as well as navigation, music, important information for your Toyota. And here we have the ability to turn on or off the Toyota Safety Sense options. Now, the 2020 Highlander is jam-packed with brand new features and all new styling. So if you've owned a Highlander before, you're gonna wanna come in and check it out because it is completely different. And if you've never considered Highlander before, you're going to want to consider this vehicle because it is packed with technology and features that you don't normally find in the lower trim levels. So give us a call or click RudyLutherToyota.com.